Welcome, today we're going to show you how to play Undertale on your iOS, iPad or iPhone. So first you need to actually open the Safari browser on your iPad or iPhone. After that you need to search for Bad Time Simulator as see from here. So when you search for Bad Time Simulator, this will actually lead to this link or this website that will let you play Undertale on your browser. So now you can actually play Undertale on your iPad or iOS. So just open it, and now as see from here, Undertale will open for you. You can now choose your settings. So now to make that easier for you to play Undertale every time, you need to actually click on this share button on the top right corner. After that, you need to click to add to home screen. Now you need to name it Undertale or whatever, and now you can add Undertale to your apps on your home screen. So now it will be easier to open this game on your iPhone or iPad with just one click. So you can just choose your difficulty, as you from here. After that, you can start playing. After that, you can start playing. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.